Okay, I'm going to give a brief overview on the Powermax PM3-60LK AC to DC converter charger. Going to just look at the instruction manual real quick, go over the measurements, and then we'll take a quick look inside. I'll try to make this quick as possible. If you need to pause the video, you can do that. I'll try to hold it up close here. Powermax. Input's about 120 volts, output 13 volts DC, 60 amp current. On the left side you have a 3-stage or a fixed output function. There's a little switch in there. It comes factory set for 3-stage, 16 volt or 16.5 volt or 13 volt. It's adjustable with a screwdriver. There's your fuses in the front. This fan does not run unless it's needed to be, so if it's sitting there quietly when you plug it in, it's just because it's not up to temperature yet. And there's going to be your obvious 110 volt plug-in. I'm going to look at the instruction manual real quick. I'm just going to hold it up here so you can see it. If there's something on it you need to read, you can read it. And I'll flip through the pages. And like I said, you can pause the video if you need to. I'll try to hold it as steady as possible for you. It's about the warranty on the back. One important thing on this is going to be the measurements, obviously. Measure it across like this. It's just under 8 inches, so maybe 7 7/8 or so. And then we measure it lengthwise. It's going to come out right at about 11 inches. I would almost want to just go ahead and say 12 inches. That way to give you just a little bit of room out the front, a little bit of room out the back. So if you're trying to put it in a hole, just be aware of that it's going to be 12 inches deep, whatever you're going into. And then as far as height wise on it, we're looking at about 3.5, exactly 3.5 really. I'm going to go from here and then take a screwdriver and open up the sides of it and take a quick look inside. Okay, so now we can see inside of it. First thing, I haven't opened the inside of it yet. First thing we notice is there is a fuse right here. So if for some reason yours doesn't work, or if you ever have trouble in the future, just be aware of that. As with all my videos, I try to make them quick as possible. So there you have it. That's going to be your Powermax PM3-60LK. Like and subscribe if you want to. Thank you.